Hello, it's Susan here from Komori no Hime Cosplay, and welcome back to the 20 Years of Anime project, in which we count down to 2020 using cosplay. Today we're going to be going back to 2004 and making the ear horns for Lucy from Elfen Lied. For the base part of Lucy's horns, I just used some model magic and then sculpted them into a cat ear shape, trying to make them relatively symmetrical. After the model magic had dried, I coated it in a layer of matte Mod Podge to seal them. Then we're going to make the clips, and we're just going to cut a little piece of felt and hand sew the clips onto them, and we're going to make one for each ear. Use a hot glue gun to attach the felt to the bottom of the horn, and then we're going to use a pair of scissors to trim away some of the excess felt. And with that, Lucy's ears are done. For more cosplay tutorial videos, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching!